Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Shreya Chakravarti of USN 1E21 CS 163, studying in College Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, is here to present a slideshow on the subject of Biology for Engineers 21 BE 45. Topic of my slideshow is aircraft flying on the principles of birds. Following with the content, introduction, wing design, benefits of mimicking bird flight, the science behind bird flight, conclusion, and future applications. Heading towards with the introduction, birds have been soaring through the skies for millions of years, and their flight has always been a source of wonder and amazement. But did you know that scientists and engineers have been studying bird flight for decades, trying to unlock its secrets and apply them to aircraft design? The results have been nothing short of remarkable, with planes that are faster, more efficient, and quieter than even before. The science behind the bird flight. Bird flight is a complex process that involves the interaction of multiple physical forces. These forces include lift, drag, weight, and thrust, which are all crucial to birds' ability to fly. One of the key principles of bird flight is the shape of the wing. Birds' wings are designed to create lift by generating a low pressure area above the wing and high pressure area below the wing. This creates an upward force that allows the bird to stay in the air. The shape of bird's wing is important for producing lift. The increased speed over a curved larger wing area creates a longer path of air. This means the air is moving more quickly over the top surface of the wing, reducing air pressure on the top of the wing and creating lift. Also, the angle of the wing deflects air downwards, causing a reaction force in the opposite direction and creating lift. Larger wings produce greater lift than smaller wings. So, smaller winged birds and planes need to fly faster to maintain the same lift as those with larger wings. Wing loading tells you how fast a bird or plane must fly to be able to maintain the lift. Wing loading is equal to weight per wing area. A smaller wing loading number means the bird or the plane can fly more slowly while still maintaining the lift and is more maneuverable. Soaring flight is a special kind of glide. Birds that fly over the land soars a rising air current called a thermal. Because of the air is rising, the bird can maintain its height relative to the ground. Albatross also soar without flapping their wings. Sometimes for hours at a time, they use dynamic soaring, a technique that takes advantages of ocean winds to provide lift while waving an S pattern over wave tops and trusts. Albatross use this type of soaring to support their multi-year voyages at sea. Flapping. Birds' wing flap with an up and down motion. This propels them forward. The entire wingspan has to be at the right angle of attack, which means the wings have to twist and do so automatically, with each downward stroke to keep aligned with the direction of travel. A bird's wing produces lift and thrust during the downstroke. The air is deflected downward and also to the rear. The bird reduces its angle of attack and partially folds its wing on the upward stroke so that it passes through air with the least possible resistance. The inner part of wing has very little moment and can provide lift in a similar way to gliding. Different flight abilities. Different birds have different adaptive features to meet their flight needs. Some birds are small and can manipulate their wings and tail to maneuver easily, such as Fantail. The hawk with its large wingspan is capable of speed and soaring. Gannets and seabirds are streamlined to dive at high speed into oceans for fish. Godwits, although small, are equipped to fly long distance. Wing design. Bird wing have been a source of inspiration for aircraft designers since the early days of aviation. The shape and structure of bird wings have influenced the design of modern aircraft wings, which are designed to mimic the efficient, streamlined shape of bird's wing. One example of how bird wings have influenced aircraft wing design is use of flexible wing structures. Birds are able to adjust the shape of their wings during flight, allowing them to maintain stability and control in changing conditions. Modern aircraft wings are designed with similar flexibility, using material that can bend and flex without breaking. Flight is a unique adaptation at the core of many behaviors in most bird species, whether it be foraging, migrations, or breeding. Birds have been developed a wide diversity of flight modes. Here, we'll be leading to future application, which involves that birds have a very specialized behavior. A key issue when studying flight behaviors is to understand how they develop through all the ontogenetic stages of birds, from the embryo to the flying adult. This question typically involves classical debates on animal behavior about the importance of maturation and experience. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope the video was informative enough. Stay tuned.